In this video, I'll detail how to enable crown haptics on Apple Watch. So, if the digital crown haptics is disabled, whenever you scroll using the digital crown, you not feel the haptics. But once this is enabled, scrolling using the digital crown on your Apple Watch will make you feel vibration in form of haptics. So basically here, I'm going to show you how to turn on digital crown haptics on Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, you found this live informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do to enable or turn on haptics on digital crown or digital crown haptics is press the two crown once. Click on settings. On settings page, just scroll down until you get to sound and haptics. Click on that, then scroll down as well. Keep scrolling until you get to system sounds and haptics. Then locate the crown haptics and then turn on that. Then when next you use the two crown to scroll up or down, then you should feel a bit of vibration that the haptics is on. So that's all you need to do to turn on crown haptics on Apple Watch. If you found this very informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.